In this tutorial, we will learn how to hide the HDRI background, both in Eevee, as well as in Cycles. So here I have a sphere, with subsurf modifier applied, with its metallic value increased, and also the roughness value lowered a bit, to see some of the reflections. Now if we render this image, the HDRI background gets rendered as well. If you don't want that to happen, then select the rendered properties. Now under Film, turn on Transparent. As you can see, the HDRI background disappears, but the lighting and reflections on the sphere are same as before. Render the image to verify. Now if you are in Cycles, the process is pretty much the same. Render Properties, Film, turn on Transparent. Render the image to verify. Now, if you don't like to work in this transparent background, to be honest, I don't like it either. Split the viewport. Make this one a shader editor. Then change the shader type to world. Now duplicate the background node, and add a mix shader, from the shaders option. Place it between background and output. Also plug the background to shader. Now under Input, select Light Path. Then plug the camera ray to the factor. Now in the World Properties, if you click on the second shader option, you have the option to change the viewport color to anything you want. And if you render this image, it will get rendered without the HDRI background. It will work both in Eevee and Cycles. Now if you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like. And if you want to support my channel, and see more free tutorials in the future, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell.